inner harmony. Let's begin. Easy pose calms the mind and relaxes the body. Sit tall, cross your legs. Rest your hands on your knees and breathe deeply. Meditative pose centers the mind and brings calm. Sit tall, relax your shoulders and breathe slowly. Mountain pose builds stability and focus. Stand tall, ground your feet, and breathe with awareness. Warrior Eye strengthens the legs and builds focus. Extend your arms wide, bend the front knee, and breathe with power. Warrior Eye builds strength and focus. Stretch your arms wide, bend the front knee, and breathe steadily. Tree pose improves balance and focus. Stand tall, place one foot on your leg, bring hands together, and breathe calmly. Tree pose builds balance and calm. Stand tall, place one foot on your leg, and breathe steadily. Seated forward bend stretches the back and calms the mind. Sit tall, reach forward to your feet, and breathe deeply. Cat-cow pose warms up the spine and eases tension. Move smoothly between arching and rounding your back as you breathe. Bridge pose strengthens the back and opens the chest. Press your feet, lift your hips, and breathe steadily. Resting pose gently relaxes the back and hips. Fold forward. Rest your arms and breathe deeply. Sphinx pose gently strengthens the back and opens the chest. Rest on your forearms, lift the chest, and breathe calmly. Seated side stretch opens the ribs and lengthens the sides. Reach one arm up, lean gently, and breathe steadily. Seated side stretch opens the sides and ribs. Reach up, lean gently, and breathe steadily. Joyful pose gently opens the hips and stretches the legs. Lie on your back, hold your feet, and breathe deeply, feeling release and relaxation. Reclined twist gently stretches the spine and relaxes the body. Lie on your back, drop your knees to one side, extend your arms, and breathe deeply. Reclined twist stretches the spine and relaxes the body. Drop your knees to one side and breathe deeply. Fish pose opens the chest and stretches the front body. Lie on your back, lift your chest, rest the crown of your head lightly on the mat, and breathe deeply. Corpse pose fully relaxes the body and calms the mind. Lie flat on your back, arms at your sides, and breathe slowly and deeply.